Happy Father's Day to the man them. And I'm not talking the man them will breed something. No. Me I talk the man them were involved in their kids' life. But a special Father's Day to the fathers who are actually living with their kids or their kids are living with them. And a super special Father's Day to the fathers who not only are their kids living with them, but they have a family, meaning they child mother, they kids, and them live under one roof, one umbrella. A family we are say. We don't want no baby mother, baby father, and them the culture that we need to dash for that. Anyways, we're doing a video on the man where he is the baby father culture. Who me attack? Ninja!
Hey boy, boy, Japan. It's like living on free food ticket. Not the money in my pocket, not a cent of me no have. What about chain bikes up to do? Me pass through, that's what we know.
Hey. Look at my water done. I'm thirsty, you know, man. Oh my gosh. Mr. Father's Day this. What is Ninjaman? Original front teeth, gold teeth, blue teeth, Dan Gargan, new name. Mr. Father's Day. Ninjaman, anyway there. Happy Father's Day. Well, we know it's for you there still. Again, to the man them who involved in their kids' life, to the man them who live with their kids or their kids live with them, to the man them who actually have a family structure, them kids, mama and them. Happy Father's Day. The man saying have 23 kids and 22 baby mother, and then years later he said the number increased to 27 kids and 26 baby mother. Eh? But one thing with the Gargan, from how he speak, he always have a woman and yard when call him wife, or he always have a local family structure. He have 100 kids a road, but he have a family structure, and that we are promote. Anyways, in regards to this, you see Gargan a mash up a place. Japan Gargan there in 1991 in a Japan fest. Then people don't know a word in English. All they know is a Ninja Gargan up on stage, and them a rhyme up and them a jam up and them enjoy themselves. Just like how me enjoy myself, I jump up in my car seat. A good thing say car strong, you don't pop down with me now. Anyways, we are jumping in the second half of the video. I hope you don't like it. If you don't like it, just like the video, man. Remember say YouTube fight me, you know. So you don't have to fight with me. just like the video, share the video, subscribe, click the notification bell, and watch more Ninja.
No, I can tell you from that guy put him on the mic. And I can tell you by the lyric and over it talking. Oh, like that now. It's not long before them your DJ you lose them. What's up? Don't give me weird. Don't give me weird. Leave me on, give me weird. DJ boy, but me come give me power. Make me shut the boy, but me no see the boy. Me born give that sun praise, and they last survive. Now to the 22nd year of operation, me tell the Mandela still alive. We give all of the praise to the Father. We are the heavenly and earthly creator. That's why we born Mandela come. Mandela come. No one jump. Wait! As I take off the shirt. I wanna hear you shout Ninja. Who you ready? Man, go listen to the dance. Original time now gone. What's up? Please I believe. Who I believe? I believe in children of future. See the bread, let them see the red. Show them all the beauty we protect the time. Keep them on stage to cry. To let it easier. Let the children laugh. Remind them how we used to be. Come now, me want you to tell your brother that you're not ready to get it. Tell your brother that you're not ready to get it because too many years. Never worry and get a lot of baby and
Hold on. Your gargan say clear yourself and use your protection. If you're not ready for baby, you want condom, you can go to some man. Want me pack one barrel like my man there, pack a barrel full of Campbell soup. Well, I'm gonna pack a barrel and send a yard full of condom. It's a coincidence, you know. I was on TikTok and I look for some Ninjaman video and I find this. This is part 1. We're gonna do part 2 tomorrow. And I say, oh, tomorrow Father's Day and the video gonna drop Father's Day. And who else to do a video on? Mr. Father himself. Yeah, man. So, I hit that still feel night. Me hope you like the video. And you must have said, boy, I lost still have a heap of condom them. Yes, cause you have to restock. You understand? If you don't like the video, man, just like the video and share it and click the notification bell and everything nice. Nicer than a pound of rice. And that was a good look video. And I've come back tomorrow so we can watch the second part. Is it me I say, you're not done? No, you're not done. We find the full performance. Ninja Japan. See, boss, I reel up. Remember, settle yourself, use a condom if you don't have money for mine, pitney.